In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the lower engine mount on this Volkswagen Jetta. Let's get into it. Using a 16mm socket, we're going to take these two bolts out. I'm going to take these two bolts out, use a 13mm socket. And the whole mount comes right off. And take the mount, slide it in position. We'll get all the bolts started. It's recommended that you replace these bolts when you do this job. I might have to push the motor back a little bit to get these to line up. Get those started. Now we'll tighten these down. Now if you replaced these bolts, you want to torque these to 30 foot-pounds and then go an additional 90 degrees. If you didn't replace the bolts, just snug them up, make sure they're tight. And then the same with these bolts, tighten these down. And if you replace them, torque these to 15 foot-pounds and then an additional 90 degrees. Again, if you didn't replace them, just snug them up, make sure they're tight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.